Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and in this video I will show you how to unpair and how to disconnect your Galaxy Buds 2 Pro with this phone. So first of all, you have to scroll down this notification panel, and here you see this Bluetooth icon. Okay, so you have to press and hold it like that. Okay, once you select it like this, the Bluetooth window will open, and here you see these Buds 2 Pro are already connected with this phone. Okay, now what you can do is you see there is a small setting icon over here. Okay, so you see this setting icon, just select it. Once you select it, your Buds 2 Pro settings will open. Okay, and at the bottom you can see there is an option of unpair. Okay, so here you can see this unpair option available. So if you just select it, it will unpair your Buds 2 Pro with this phone. So I select this unpair, and then it will ask me if I want to unpair it, so I unpair. Okay, so now you can see this Buds 2 Pro is now unpaired with my phone. So now for example I want to connect it. Okay, so I just select it like this. Okay, and it will start connecting my earbuds to this phone. Okay, so I select this pair option. Okay, and then it will pair this Buds 2 Pro with my phone. Now for example I want to disconnect it, so same thing you can do, just select this settings icon. Okay, and here you see this option of disconnect. Okay, just select it. Once you select it, it will say Bluetooth connection with Buds 2 Pro is now ended. So if you go back, okay, so now here you can see it is no more connected with this phone. So this is how you can unpair your Galaxy Buds 2 Pro with Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.